Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you this amazing DIY face mask for glowy healthy skin that also helps to prevent maskne issues, acne breakouts and dry skin. It's super easy and you only need two ingredients: avocado and organic honey. First, you want to chop the avocado in half and scoop it into a bowl. For this face mask, you will only need half of the avocado. Blend into a paste using a fork or a spoon. Avocado is super hydrating for your skin and gives you a youthful, glowy look. Packed with vitamin A, D, E and omega-3 fatty acids, it helps your skin repair process and improve skin conditions like dry, dull skin, eczema, acne and psoriasis. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of organic honey and mix very well. Honey is a great natural antioxidant and antibacterial. It deeply moisturizes your skin, it helps decrease inflammation and gives you a natural glow. It is great for acne-prone skin and also helps unclogging pores, which means that it also helps you with maskne issues. So now our face mask is ready. Make sure you cleanse your face before application. To apply the avocado face mask, you can use your fingers or a makeup brush. Avocado can stain your clothes, so you may want to wear an old t-shirt. You can start with small areas and work your way to the rest of your face. You can also add extra layers on areas where your skin is more dry, like for me it's my under eyes. I will also leave a link for you in the description box so you can check the associated DIY post in my beauty blog. Now leave the mask for 15 to 20 minutes until it's tight and darker in color. Before rinsing your face, wet your fingers with water and massage your skin with circular motions, as this will help you to absorb better all the nutrients. Rinse with lukewarm water using your fingers, paper towels or cotton pads. This amazing face mask will leave your skin so smooth, clean and hydrated, and it's perfect for winter. I really hope you liked this DIY, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more skincare tips. After cleaning your face, you want to follow with moisturizer. For my eyes, I like to use my Juliette Armant Elements Eye Cream with Caviar. For my face and neck, I like to use the Aveda Intense Hydrating Soft Cream. And of course, to keep my lips hydrated, I like to use my Vaseline Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. So this is how my skin looks after this face mask. Let me know if you tried it, and if you have any other tips, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.